Are you confused about which password manager to use? Today, we are comparing Bitwarden and Apple Passwords. Both tools help you keep your passwords safe and organized. They store your login details securely, making it easier to access your favorite websites without remembering every single password. Let's start with Bitwarden. This is a popular open source password manager. It offers strong security features like end to end encryption. You can use it on many devices, including phones and computers. Bitwarden also has a free version, which is quite powerful, and a premium version with extra features. Now, let's look at Apple Passwords. This tool is built right into Apple devices. If you use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you can easily save and manage your passwords. It syncs across all your Apple devices. Apple Passwords also uses strong encryption, keeping your data safe. So, what are the main differences? Bitwarden is available on all platforms, while Apple Passwords works only on Apple devices. Bitwarden offers more features in its free version, while Apple Passwords is simple and easy to use for Apple users. When it comes to features, Bitwarden allows sharing passwords securely with others. It also has a password generator and security reports. Apple Passwords focuses on ease of use and integration within the Apple ecosystem. In terms of pricing, Bitwarden has a free version with an affordable premium option. Apple Passwords is free for anyone using Apple devices. In the end, if you want a flexible and feature rich option, go for Bitwarden. But if you are deep into the Apple ecosystem and want something simple, Apple Passwords is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.